Welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a couple of brown looking bananas just sitting around your house that you don't know what to do with? Well, you're in luck. You clicked on the right video because today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious recipe using brown bananas. Today I'll be showing you how to make brown butter banana bread, and the great thing about this recipe is there's not very many ingredients. Plus, recipes with brown butter have a lot better flavor than normal butter. So let's get started with everything you're going to need for this recipe. You're going to need flour, brown sugar, chocolate chips, those are optional though, butter, salt, vanilla, 1 egg, baking soda, and 3 browned bananas. The first thing you're going to do is grab a small pot so we can brown our butter. Grab 1 stick of butter, which is equal to 1/2 cup. On low to medium heat, we're going to melt this butter until it's bubbling and brown. Just keep on mixing that around until it's completely melted. Now once the butter is actually bubbling and brown, that's how we know it is done, and we will take it immediately off the heat and put it into our mixing bowl. As you can see, it is starting to bubble just slightly. It looks like it's almost got that brown color. I'm gonna let it go for just a bit longer and then we'll remove it from the heat. Looks perfect. Now we're going to remove it. Now we're going to transfer it to a mixing bowl and allow it to cool. Make sure you get out every last bit. You might want to use a spatula. We're gonna let this butter cool for 10 minutes and then continue the recipe, but in the meantime, smell it. It smells so good. Wow. Another thing you can do while you wait is heat your oven to 350 degrees. While this finishes up cooling, I'm just going to go ahead and start mashing our bananas with a fork. And just a reminder, for this recipe we will be using 3 bananas. Nobody saw that. Now that our bananas are mashed, we're going to set them to the side because the first ingredient we're going to add to our browned butter is 1 cup of brown sugar. Make sure that it is really packed down. Now we're going to mix that in. Oh my gosh, gotta be kidding. Now we're going to mix in our mashed bananas. Ooh, this is looking really good. Oh wow, and it smells amazing. Better than any banana bread I've ever made before. Now we're gonna mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Also smelling amazing. I really wish vanilla tasted as good as it smelled. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. Now 2 cups of flour. Now we're gonna add about 1 cup of chocolate chips, or a little less. Now mix all that together. Now we're going to pour our batter into a parchment-lined baking dish. I'm using one that's about 8 by 5. And don't forget to grease it first. We're going to put a few chocolate chips on the top. Now we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. It's been about an hour, so I'm going to check up on it. Ooh, it looks like it's about done. Let's do the toothpick test. Looks like it's done. Oops. I'm using it at pan today because last time I made banana bread, I took it out and I dropped the pan.
And shattered it.
Yeah, that was pretty bad. I was looking forward to eating that bread too. Luckily I didn't drop this one. This is looking so yummy, and now I'm gonna try to take it out of the pan. Ooh, nice. Looks pretty good.
Cookie!
Time to cut the bread. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Look at that. It's a bit gooey in the middle, but other than that, it looks amazing. Who wants to try some banana bread?
Oh, I do.
You can have whichever piece you want.
I got one.
It's kind of a new recipe, so tell me what you think.
Okay.
How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thanks. Now I gotta try for myself to see if it's really as good as they say. That is really good. You guys, that banana bread turned out absolutely amazing. As always, be sure to tell me in the comments if you guys also made this recipe because it was so yummy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Now that our bananas are mashed, we're gonna set them to the side because the first ingredient we're adding to our butter